Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for all you crafters and DIY enthusiasts out there. We discovered the HTVRONT Cutting Mats, designed specifically as replacements for the Cricut Joy and Joy 2 machines. You can find a link to this product in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are the HTVRONT Cutting Mats? This is a 6-pack bundle that includes 3 cutting mats measuring 4.5 by 12 inches and 3 that are 4.5 by 6.5 inches. These mats are tailored to be fully compatible with the Cricut Joy and Joy 2 machines, making them a practical choice for anyone who loves to create with these devices. Now, let's dive into the standout features of these cutting mats. First and foremost, they boast strong stickiness and durability, ensuring that your materials stay securely in place while cutting. The high-quality adhesive allows for easy gripping and releasing of various materials without leaving any sticky residue behind. This means you can focus on your creative projects without worrying about damaging your materials. Another important feature is the versatility of these mats. The different adhesives are designed to match various materials, making them suitable for cardstock, patterned paper, adhesive vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, and much more. The smaller size of the 4.5 by 6.5 inch mats makes them perfect for smaller projects, just like a small notebook, while the larger mats are ideal for bigger designs. For those of you who are environmentally conscious, you'll be pleased to know that these cutting mats are made from high-quality PVC material that is non-toxic. This means you can work on your projects with peace of mind, knowing that they are safe for you and the environment. Additionally, these mats have been designed to minimize odors and sticky residues, enhancing your crafting experience. Now, who are these cutting mats suitable for? If you're a hobbyist, a small business owner, or even a teacher looking to create engaging projects for your classroom, these mats are a fantastic option. They cater to a broad range of crafting needs, from simple home decor to intricate designs for special occasions. In terms of practical use cases, the HTVRONT Cutting Mats can be a game changer. If you're working on a batch of custom greeting cards, these mats will hold your cardstock in place while the machine does its work. For those of you creating vinyl decals for your home or business, the strong adhesive will ensure your vinyl stays put for precise cutting. And let's not forget about those heat transfer vinyl projects. These mats are perfect for aligning your designs before pressing them onto fabric. One tip for maintaining the longevity of your cutting mats is to keep the clear protective film covering on them after each use. This helps prevent dust and scraps from accumulating, ensuring your mats remain in top condition for longer. Plus, if you have any questions or need assistance with the product, the customer service team is ready to help with a satisfactory solution. In summary, the HTVRONT Cutting Mats are an excellent choice for anyone using the Cricut Joy or Joy 2 machine. With their practical design, strong stickiness, and durable materials, they are sure to enhance your crafting experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.